This Mega Blocks kit comes with these blocks with A through Z, all the letters. There's a little engine right here that actually makes a sound and plays some music. The carts, the wheels are removable, so you can color coordinate whatever wheels you want on different parts. And then the carts become the boards for your blocks. And then you can build it however you want, different designs. There's other wedge-shaped blocks as well as the double blocks, and then of course the single blocks. And you can do a lot with these. You can make these trains. You can play with it individually without the wheels as well. And there's a 4-block one as well. So lots of things included in this kit. It's a lot of fun. More fun for the adults and the babies because it's 1+, and a lot of 1+ babies won't really know what to do with it. But eventually they'll figure it out and they'll start playing with it. But yeah, I definitely like this one because it has a lot going on in just one toy.